How to fix LightyearVPN not accessing internet when running Thunder on Windows. Sunlight Accelerator or Sunlight download software is installed on the computer, and LightyearVPN cannot be used normally when Sunlight is running. After connecting to the LightyearVPN, but unable to open the external web page to turn over the wall normally. When Thunderbolt is turned off, the VPN will be able to surf the internet normally. Similar software may include 360, QQ Manager, other security software, accelerators, and download. This may be because some background programs of Thunder have interfered with the normal network connection of LightyearVPN. Even sometimes there will be a sudden disconnection of the link. After installing Thunder, there will be an extra XL service platform process in the computer. Sometimes this process cannot be closed, and it will automatically start after booting, and it cannot be deleted. Therefore, some special methods are needed to solve the problem that Thunder download affects the normal use of LightyearVPN. Try the following solutions. 1. Remove Thunder Accelerator, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, and restart the computer. 2. Simple and rude, reinstall the system. 3. Right-click the computer icon in the Explorer, select Manage and then select Services in the Services and Applications. Disable and prohibit XL Service Platform in the service list. Open the registry and locate the following path. Delete the XL Service Platform item. This service can disappear in service. 4. Download and install CCleaner to clean up the registry. You can also clean up other similar rogue software. Sometimes when using LightyearVPN, you obviously choose the same node. Use two Windows computers on the same network. One can use the internet scientifically, but the other cannot. The configuration of the two computers is the same, but this is the case. If you encounter this situation, you can also try the above method to decide.